Welcome back, friends. PayPal is one of the most well-known online payment services on the planet. But did you know that it can also be used as a way to generate monthly income? Here are 5 ways to start making money on PayPal. Quick paying surveys. Ultimately, taking online surveys isn't exactly the most lucrative side gig, but these survey websites can be a quick and simple way to earn PayPal money if you want to earn some extra money just by watching TV or just in your spare time. Mystery shopping. To work as a secret shopper, you're not required to interview or join a mystery shopping firm. Instead, you can start a new side business that rewards you up to $100 in PayPal cash just by using mystery shopping app. Fitness apps that pay. With fitness apps, you can get paid to get and stay healthy just by simply wagering on yourself to achieve specific fitness goals within a set amount of time. Goals usually range from achieving weekly step targets to decreasing a specific amount of weight. You can earn anywhere from $10 to $100 in PayPal cash just for achieving specific goals and winning back your initial wager with interest. Test websites. Many businesses pay individuals to test apps and websites on the behalf of their customers. Just by testing and sharing your feedback and ideas can earn you up to $50 an hour. Finally, shop to earn PayPal cash. You can automatically cash out through PayPal on many well-known shopping websites just to get cash back. Make sure to check it out. For a full description and links to all of the apps mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the description box. And for more ways to make money, check out our other videos. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you can be alerted every time we post. Have a good day. We'll see you soon. Bye.